Welcome to our third segment on roof racks. In front of me, you can see that we have a box kit. We have all the different pieces in order to put a roof rack on a vehicle that has no rails. In the other segments, all you had to do was either clamp or bolt the crossbars on because you already had the rails. This particular one does not. What you use on this one is you use 2 crossbars, which come in a package, the 4 feet, which come in a package, also the adapter kits, as well as locks. All this comes complete in the box with all the instructions, really easy to put together. What you want to do is you want to take all your pieces, you want to assemble them first, get them in generally the right place, but don't tighten it up all the way. The reason is because you may have to expand or adjust in some way your rails. So what you want to do is you want to assemble it, as I said, and take it up to the vehicle, put it on, tighten everything up, and you're ready to go. On these things, you can put just about anything. They have a high capacity, you can put baskets, boxes, carriers of all kinds, and you're ready to go. You're ready for your adventure. I'm looking forward to getting out and getting some stuff done this summer, and I'd consider one of these for my vehicle, that's for sure. My vehicle doesn't have the rails, and it's really easy to put on. You can take them off on demand and put them away. If you are a skier and you don't use them in the summer, you can take it off in the summer, then you don't have to deal with it while you're in the summer months. So this is really a good option if you don't have the roof rails. Thank you very much and have a great day. Get out, do some adventures, and drive safe.